Online trading scams are wrecking lives in the United Arab Emirates. A Khaleej Times investigation uncovered a large-scale online trading syndicate operating in the country, using fraudulent call centers, fake trading platforms, and shell companies to defraud investors of millions of dollars. The syndicate operates through a cluster of unlicensed platforms, including Sigma 1 Capital, DutFX, EVM Prime, Utrade, EVA Markets, and Core Financial Markets. These platforms often go offline after collecting funds. The scam relies on a so-called B-book brokerage model, where the broker bets against clients, profiting from their losses. Unlike legitimate A-book brokers who pass trades to the real market, these platforms manipulate trades by delaying executions, widening spreads, triggering premature stop losses, and even showing fake profits to encourage larger investments. They also use non-existent instruments, such as Wheat.spot. The operational backbone consists of at least 7 call centers in Dubai, including locations in IMPZ and Business Bay, each with between 50 and 200 telesales agents. Agents are picked up by buses, briefed at 9:15 in the morning, and given daily quotas to get residents to deposit a minimum of $1,000. They are instructed to avoid targeting locals and government officials. Agents receive commissions in cash, which arrives in sacks. A former employee stated that closing a client before the 10th of the month earned a 900 dirham commission, while later clients earned 200 dirhams. One former agent described the earnings as haram money after witnessing a client lose $30,000. The human cost is devastating. SJ lost $232,000 to Sigma 1 Capital after an agent pressured him into risky hedging positions and manipulated trades. A Keralite expat lost 500,000 dirhams, his child's education savings, to Gulf First commercial brokers and the Core Financial Markets platform, whose website is now defunct. Another victim lost 175,000 dirhams. Dubai resident AK lost 150,000 dirhams across 3 platforms and received threats when he confronted his relationship manager. Abu Dhabi resident Imran Moghul lost 140,000 dirhams to DutFX after taking a bank loan of 176,000 dirhams. He is still paying the installments. Abu Dhabi resident Mohammed Bilal Saeed lost $50,000 to Sigma 1 Capital and has filed a police complaint. Funds are funneled through a network of shell companies, often posing as software or e-commerce firms. A recurring address in Sai Shwaib, Dubai, was found on invoices from multiple ventures, including a software firm billing a Sigma 1 victim for 18,350 dirhams and an e-commerce company called Core White Marketing. No companies were found at this address. The trade licenses for these firms are often registered under proxy owners who are figureheads and may flee the country before the scam is exposed. Agents are currently directing investors to a new platform called Grow Plus Markets, which claims registration in the Comoros Union and also lists the Sai Shwaib address. It is not licensed by any United Arab Emirates regulator. The platforms mentioned are not licensed by United Arab Emirates regulators like the Dubai Financial Market or the Securities and Commodities Authority. The Securities and Commodities Authority warns investors to verify companies against its official list of licensed entities. In the case of Imran Moghul versus DutFX, a court sentenced the bank account holder and the relationship manager to a 3-month jail term followed by deportation, but they had already left the country. This follows a historical precedent from 2018, where Sidney Lemos of the bogus Forex scheme Exential was sentenced to 517 years in prison. Experts warn that unregulated trading companies often promise high returns with minimal risk, which are major red flags. Nigel Silito, CEO of Insight Discovery, expressed concern about the continued operation of such companies in the United Arab Emirates. Stay vigilant. Always verify the credentials of any trading platform before investing your hard-earned money. Credits, story by Khaleej Times.